Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to link or enable Google Authenticator to Bitget. Firstly, log into your Bitget app and tap on the account center icon. Next, go to your profile section, select security and then tap Google Authenticator. And finally, tap next to continue. Now open Google Authenticator app on your phone, then tap the plus icon, then choose either scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Then scan the QR code shown on Bitget or copy or paste the setup key. Then enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator into Bitget. When you're done, tap next to finish the setup. It's important to save your backup key in a safer place. You'll need it to recover your account if you ever lost access to your device. And done, Google Authenticator is now enabled, giving your Bitget account an extra layer of security. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.